again, welcome back to my channel. Rebecca here, and I just wanted to share my close to my heart new consultant box. So it comes in this beautiful little pink box, and just kind of giving you an overview. I'm not really going to go through everything, but I'm going to test some of the stuff out. I got some inks and some stamps, some scissors and some adhesives and the pokey tool and a chamois. And I got some paper packs. I haven't even looked at it, but that's the cardstock, and then some paper. But yeah, so I am going to be playing with this stuff today, so I figured I'd just pop on real quick and show you this. And if anybody would like to place an order with Close to My Heart, please reach out to me. I'm kind of doing it more so for the discount, but I'm willing to share the love. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up for this video. Click that subscriber link below. And later on today, I will have my video for my over 100 subscriber giveaway. So thanks, guys. Bye.